Welcome to Da Nang.
Pickleball! It's coming up here.
Oh wow! I think
The rumors,
maybe in 1-2 months.
No, the rumors are wild. They say that they will build up here a pickleball court.
Yeah.
Just a couple of them.
To have some World Cups here. Are you gonna become a World Cup champion then?
Nah.
A world champion of pickleball?
I hope not.
Dude, I don't know why they never are open. They're never open.
Too much money.
Huh.
I'm waiting for the buncha.
Yeah.
50K.
This is a nice office here.
Yeah.
Dude, we need this office. That would be cool.
It would be a great place for coffee.
Huh. We are in the An Thuong 34. We're walking around, checking what's new in these little side streets. Because every time I'm gone for 2-3 weeks, and now this time I was gone for 1 month, everything is new. This Indian restaurant here, still the same. Just bikes. Almost no motorbikes.
No, it's rented out.
It's very tough to get a motorbike at the moment.
So, yeah.
And this is a 50cc, right?
The 50cc.
50cc, brand new, huh?
Yeah, we bought like.
Looks like a big bike, but it's weak. Guys, so you are allowed to drive this motorbike
Yeah.
because it's weak. It only drives 45 kilometers or something.
It's 150K a day.
Yeah.
Just
Ah.
when you rent it out on a daily basis.
So it's like $7-8 or something. Nothing has changed here. That's so weird. Huh. Korean food.
Never been there.
I don't know what this is.
Some travel company.
Okay. Oh, okay. Luxury cruise tours. Okay. Whoa, dude.
Yeah.
And
It's
you
not
need.
mine, but I wish I would have it.
Dude, this is amazing. This color, this kit is only missing like maybe a Vietnamese flag or something. And one thing is very unusual here. They tear down this whole building and they didn't do anything with it. I guess it's only now for sale. Maybe it's easier to sell an empty land than a land with a house already on it. Sandy Hotel. If you have been here 3 years ago, this was Yen V Hotel, an apartment, and now they changed to Sandy. This is also a very good place to get cash out, to exchange money, SIM cards. I don't know about SIM cards, but buck service is good for cashing out. Not cashing out, exchanging money, yes. And here, Marcus repaired his MacBook here. Yeah. This is also very interesting.
They exchanged the battery.
They exchanged
and it's
the battery.
still running, so it's good.
Okay. So it's approved.
Yes.
How much did it cost?
Good question. I don't know. Maybe 3 million, 3.5.
Oh. This is also going to be a big new apartment building.
And this is new.
This is new.
It's almost finished, the building. Almost.
Wow. It's crazy. Now they're finally getting done with the street. So no more very noisy construction. HP Sapa apartment. It also looks new, Marcus. It is new. It's also a new one. And they have luggage service. Yes. Dude, that's new. Another luggage service, guys. I think they have more locations, this Whale O. There you can get some electric motorbikes here.
What's definitely new is this. This is a laundry only for the besties.
Bestie, okay guys. Bestie laundry.
Private and convenient, they say.
Nice. It looks stylish, not like the normal types of laundries. And this is also, what a beautiful tattoo store it looks from outside. But tattoos always have to be. The inside is more important. But it looks good. Dynamite Naoki. What is this, Marcus? This is Japanese? Shikinkatu. I think this is Japanese. Or?
But what is definitely new is this apartment hotel.
Oh, yes. Dude,
The salty sea.
check this out. They're finally done. The Salty Sea. Do you know, I saw an advertisement from this coffee,
this coffee
and we were inside the advertisement. We were sitting there.
No, really.
Yeah, yes.
Ah.
Just like a half of a second.
Okay.
But I saw some people. You know, we were there one time and they got us in the ad.
Yes.
They're
just
very,
one time.
very efficient, man.
I think because this was the day where they had all the marketing guys.
Yes. The whole Instagram looks so stylish and like what they serve and everything. And I'm like, okay, I have not seen it in real life like that.
But also apartments. So I think now they are open because yesterday I saw someone sitting on the balcony.
Oh, huge balconies though.
It's open.
I think also this hotel is back on track. And do you see this, Marcus? They removed the thing here.
Yeah, maybe they moved it over to the
Yes.
to the place.
Oh, you know what? They may be done with this soon too. With this new restaurant complex or coffee or whatever. Very interesting. They also fenced this up, so you cannot walk through here anymore. It's a little bit inconvenient, but it is what it is.
I really think this could be a restaurant, something.
But it's so big. I think there are more in restaurants
Do
in
you
one.
think? Because it do not look like a hotel. It's too small.
I know, but I think there's more different restaurants in there. Because, or it is another seafood restaurant.
Maybe like the concept of 43 Town.
Yeah, maybe like that. Maybe it even belongs to the other one opposite. I mean, I think I think this is a villa. I think this is one villa. Check this out, guys. So you could have 3 houses here, but they choose to have, I think this is a pool. And this is probably the kitchen of several businesses. Yeah, it's so sad. This place is always empty. I think it's cursed.
Oh, there's still plenty stuff, space to buy, to build.
Here. And this year, we actually asked about this place here one time.
Yeah.
But now they removed all the phone numbers. And maybe this is also apartment buildings over there. Okay. Whew. It's hot. Now today it's hot again. But on the beach it's actually bearable.
This is probably a really nice hotel in the
Yeah.
future.
Oh boy. Where's this water coming from? Ah. Yeah, let's go to the right.
What I found out, they have let's say there's an event plan. They're telling you what's happening
Yes.
in February, March. So they have live music here.
Yeah. Last time I walked in the evening, I saw actually the live music going on.
It's on Wednesday and Saturday.
Aw. Pavement report. 3 out of 5, out of 10. Obstacles. But it's kind of working out. Let's see. Someone just put in a lot of seats over there. Golden Lotus. What will this be? Oko 1. Dine, gather and carry. What does carry means? Comment below, please.
Souvenirs?
Maybe, yeah. Carry on? Carry? What does this mean? But look at this. This is the concept. So it's gonna be, yes, you're right. It's gonna be one place. Maybe 3. Or maybe,
Dine, gather. It's like eating, come together, Harry.
Huh. 24G market.
But look at this tamarind. When will it open again?
But I think they only renovated.
There's right now not.
I mean, they're still renovating. Yeah. I don't think they're gonna demolish it. That's this. Oh, maybe I don't know. But what's going on here? I heard something. Oh, okay. I thought there's something going on here finally. I really want them to. Maybe some people sleeping there from the construction site over there. Sometimes they're just opposite. They take some space and make a sleeping place. Wow. Okay.
You are right. Look at this. They have the kitchen in.
Yeah, crazy. So this is an abandoned building, and some construction workers probably stay there or have their lunchroom over there. Whew. They look so uncomfortable.
No gracias.
Oh, hold on. Marcus. What is that? I know it's not a coffee shop. Damn it.
No, it looks like handmade.
Yeah. Oh, do you know that there's a new coffee shop right all the way in the front, where Hui's coffee shop was?
Okay.
Now they have a coffee shop there, a proper one, like with serious espresso machines, Siebträgermaschinen.
Oh, that's the
Like
German word.
really hipster, yeah. Siebträgermaschine, yeah, that's the
But
German
what
word
is
for
the
that.
English word for it?
Who knows? Someone can comment below. A German who's a Siebträgermaschinen-typ can probably knows the English word too.
This is so interesting. 1 year ago, they always had the scooters. Now it's nothing. It's just an empty space.
It's too good weather. Too many people here. Too many people getting motorbikes. I think it's a shortage almost.
Also, Michael, our friend, he
I
told
saw him,
me
yeah.
when he wanted to rent out a scooter, now
Yeah.
it's obligated to have a driver license.
What?
He told me that, and I said, eh? And then I just went to Just Bikes, and
Yeah.
they said, no, passport and driver license, it's okay. They are doing the normal way, but he told me every Vietnamese motor shop wants a driver license.
Maybe they have a new rule now. But I don't believe so many people have driver licenses. Maybe they accept local ones as well. Maybe like a German. Hey, how you doing?
We're here because of you.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm filming right now, yeah? All right, guys. Shout out to you. I did not get your name, but you're watching this video too, probably. Yeah, but you want to go to the Serbian,
Yes,
to Igor.
to our European friends. Even Serbia is not Europe, but it doesn't matter.
And he's Serbian, but lived in Australia.
Yes,
So he's meat.
and he's a big guy.
He's a big guy. Yes. Oh, look at this. The fine German high society here. I already lost 2 kilos.
That's great.
Yeah,
And you will lose more,
I will lose more.
100%. Because now you're in a drill camp
I am.
of Emma.
Yeah.
She's-
The most evil person on earth. My 1.63 m wife. This is a cigar shop, another one. Someone asked, last time I showed you the other cigar shop, this is the other one. They're a long time in business, to be honest. I did one time a review about the rooms over there. They have apartments there, and they have a cigar lounge in the bottom. So maybe if you're a heavy cigar smoker, just get a hotel, a room over there. You can just go down and have cigars all the time. But yeah, I'm not a smoker anymore, so I'm something better now. I drink espresso from a Siebträgermaschine, and
It's like
I'm a
upper
fine
class
man.
then,
Yeah.
So this is the
Oh, check this out.
I want to
What?
have my chill-ups.
I mean, the burger is very good, but it looks awesome. The photo is good.
But look at this, they have another one.
Oh, they have now with mushrooms. Dude.
Sure.
But yeah, if you really want to have a proper way, you gotta get the chivapps.
Yeah.
All right.
Hallelujah.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.